There's a surprising selection of speakers available for the W124, given it uses an odd 12cm size with a spring clip mounting system. Rainbow make the most commonly known drop-in replacement, but there are others such as Crunch, Ground Zero, Dietz, and the ESX units shown in this video. The speakers are well packaged in a pretty standard box, along with 2 lengths of speaker wire, a small instruction leaflet, and an ESX sticker should you wish to put it on your car. The speakers are well packaged in a pretty standard box, along with 2 lengths of speaker wire, a small instruction leaflet, and an ESX sticker should you wish to place it on your car. The units appear well built, and a further report on sound quality will come once they're installed. Also included in this particular eBay listing that I purchased these from were these handy little adapters that allow you to plug straight into your original Becker wiring harness, so you don't have to do any butchery to your original wiring. That is right up my alley. This particular listing I purchased the speakers on was for a complete set of 4. It also included these adapter rings for the rear parcel shelf. So really, it includes absolutely everything from start to finish, and you'll have everything you need to do the job properly, and that's what I like.